So about a month ago, I was on a webinar that Joe LaFleur of 100units.com, he's a multifamily broker down in the Central Florida area. He was putting it on for a bunch of his investors and I attended it. One of the best ideas I heard in that was turning in backup contracts. Now let me go into that. Now, backup offers are nothing foreign to us. I just rarely see them as a broker, but when I think about it, they're actually pretty powerful. Here's why. Let's assume you were in a multiple offer situation and you didn't win the deal, but you were pretty darn close. If you got the feedback from the broker that you were pretty darn close, go ahead and put together a full-on purchase and sale agreement. Have the broker submit that PSA to the seller. That way, if anything squirrely starts coming up during the transaction, when the seller has something to actually review and see that your PSA is something that's easily acceptable, the seller will now feel more likely to tell that buyer to take a hike if he knows in print, in black and white, he can execute something that has what he wants. Also, if that deal did fall apart, it makes it far easier for the seller to choose you who already has a PSA put together rather than wait for all the other competitors you were up against to put together a PSA.